Hello! Today, I'm going to talk about chemical bonding and chemical compounds. And I'm also going to talk about how they are used and how it is important to everyone to understand. First of all, chemical bonding means it is a lasting attraction between atoms, ions, or molecules that enables the formation of chemical compounds. On the second one, we have chemical compounds. It means any substance composed of identical molecules consisting of atoms of two or more chemical elements. Chemical bonding are commonly used in the atoms in molecules, crystals, metals, and diatomic gases. Indeed, most of the physical environment around us are held together by chemical bond. In chemical compounds, occur when two or more atoms are bonded together. It is also used in pure metal, or an alloy like brass is neither ionic nor covalent compound. So, it is important to understand what a chemical bonding and chemical compounds because these two are the most important that has all the different types of elements that holds our planet.